trophy trout. Look at that. Nice trophy. We're gonna let this guy go. Hey, good morning. Today we're heading out to Hagg Lake. See if we can find some early season trout. It's March 2026. The lake was recently stocked, so we'll scope around and we'll see what we can find. This lake was officially created in 1975 by the damming of Scoggins Creek. We set out from the launch and head left, where we headed towards the dam and started trolling. Now there was a significant amount of debris in the water.
You could have put it in a book box.
We are using various types of gear today. Right here I have an arrow flasher and a hoochie, and we have some wedding rings out on beer cans, as well as some spinners and different Rapalas and whatnot. That's all the food I brought you, so...
There's more in the thing.
Everything that we have running today, we are either tipping with worms or we're putting little smears of power bait or super gel on them. Alright, we are just scouting for fish right now. We're searching in different parts of the lake, trolling, looking on our LiveScope, seeing if we can find anything. Thomas, fish. Wait, watch it. I'm pretty sure there's a fish chasing that. Do you see that?
Yeah.
Watch. I swear I just saw it. It looked like a fish just followed it right up. Here, watch it again. No? Well, we've seen a few big fish jump, but two bites, but they both came off. But we're trying different things, see what we'll come up with. We're heading down a little chute right now. The sun is peeking out. It looks real nice out here today. Very relaxing. But not a lot of fish. That's okay. All right. Gotta try out the new JetBoil my wife got me for Christmas. Thomas some hot chocolate today so he can warm up. Go get your cup. Watch your hand. I don't want it to burn. Okay. You're gonna have... Yeah. Oh shoot, look at that, dude. Fish. Ton of fish. This was the first school of fish that we actually saw come through on the LiveScope. Thomas, fish, come on, fish. Keep it tight, here you go. All right, keep it tight, nice, keep the rod up. You got it.
Let it come off. I don't feel it.
It's all right, just keep reeling. Don't worry about it.
Oh, it's fine, yeah, it's still there.
All right, looking good. Bring it over to the side like you know how.
I don't want to hit the other rod.
No, it's all right, that rod's far out. Right up here, okay? Nice. Good job, bud. High five. Nice little trout. Planter trout.
Keep it?
Yeah, we'll keep it. Good job. How was that?
Good.
Good. Nice little fighter. Well, you know, buddy, what we're gonna do?
What?
That first fish we just hooked was on a rooster tail about 100 feet off the back of the boat. Long lining. How'd that fish fight?
Good.
Oh, dude, we got fish in the gear. Look at that. This was the first spot that we actually saw high concentrations of fish on the LiveScope. Thomas, fish, fish, fish. Yep. Come on.
But you reel it. I want to net it.
No, no, you reel it
I
in.
want to net it.
Okay. Hey, you hit me in the head.
Sorry.
It's all right. So we hooked up our other stuff too. That's okay. Go ahead. All right. Yeah. Good job, buddy.
That's like the same.
Yeah.
Now we're gonna catch those fish.
Well, you know what's funny is catching them all on. You gonna throw radar on it or just?
No,
No.
I'll never have radar. So.
Oh, really? Hey, Thomas, fish. Oh,
Another?
yeah, fish right here, buddy. Fish right here. Go ahead. Highlights when you find them, just keep working that area because they're going to be all schooled up together a lot of times.
Yeah.
You there? You feel it? All right, bud. Here, I'll come get it for you. Bring her on. Oh, we got all this. You got it? Go ahead, lift it up like you would with a salmon. Just bring it on in here. Yeah, keep reeling and lift it right up.
There.
Keep going. Keep going. Bring her to me. Keep going. You got it. You got it. Bring her up. Nice job.
It's a bigger one.
Yeah, good job, dude.
I'm tangled.
We're all kind of tangled. We're going to get her untangled. I guess we should have been down in this cove the whole time, huh?
Yeah, what were you doing?
What were we doing, huh? Not too much, not too much. This is right, because it's in the boat.
Oh.
I just need to slap. If you, oh, we got a fish. We got a fish. Go ahead and grab that one. Got it? You got a fish on there?
Mm-hmm.
All right, you work that. I'm going to untangle these. Let me know when you're close.
Feels big.
Okay, keep the rod tip up then. Just a little bit, not too much. Okay, reel them right in. Oh, crap, we got another fish. We got a double. Keep going, keep reeling. Oh, keep going, keep going. Oh, came off. No problem. We'll get another. This one got bit just a second ago. It's not on right. I don't think there's a fish on. Let's see if you can see that. There is fish in the gear. In the gear. Just gonna mess with it a little bit. Might be a little hard to tell, but there are two fish trailing that line there. How'd that fish fight?
Close.
Oh, dude, we got fish in the gear. Look at that. Oh, fish. Wait, wait.
I want to net it.
Go ahead, he's on. Oh, this one's on.
He's on?
This one's on. Oh, Thomas, Thomas, this is a big one. Thomas, this is a big one.
Dad, this one has one too.
This one's pulling line.
Oh, what the? This one twitched.
Okay. Thomas, this one's pulling line. Do you want this one?
Let's quit.
Hold on, hold on. Reel that one in. Reel the one in you got.
Oh yeah, there's a fish on this one.
Is there?
Yes.
Here. There's not a fish on this one. I'll take this one. You take this. Oh, there is. Here, take it. Here, take this one. This one's big, dude. Oh, don't climb up. Oh, you're getting the net? All right, cool. One, dude. Dude, look at this one. This is a, here, hold the net, hold the net, hold the net. This is a trophy. Hold on, hold on, hold on. It's a trophy trout. It's all right, it's all right. It's all right, we'll get it untangled. Here, hold the net. Wait, wait, wait. Oh, we're all tangled. It's my bad. Okay, let go, let go. Okay. All right, what we're gonna do,
What about the other one?
we're gonna let this guy go, okay?
Why?
Because
You can't keep it?
we can, but we're not gonna.
What about the other little one?
You got pictures?
Yes.
Okay, we're gonna let him go. Look at that. Nice trophy. We're gonna let this guy go. All right. Or,
You can drive on up.
you know, I think I can.
Got it.
All right, hold on. Don't bring him in yet. I'm all tangled. Is that fun?
Yeah.
Sweet. What was your favorite part?
Stand up.
Oh, the fish? All right, it's been a good day. We got 7, lost a bunch, got a nice big one that we let go. Been testing out LiveScope and bow mount. It's great. If you're coming out here, all kinds of stuff's working, but you just got to find the fish. So shallow and in the coves seems to be the ticket, at least today. This is early March, so hey, if you like this stuff, please like, please subscribe. Comments help, everything helps, and we're gonna do a lot more content. We're rolling into springers, so stay tuned for more and get out there and catch some fish.